Hello and welcome to this guide on how to make money online by utilizing job sites that pay. In this video, we'll explore some of the best websites that offer online jobs and how you can earn money from them. With the advancement of technology, making money online has become a popular and convenient way for people to earn extra income or even replace their traditional jobs altogether. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone who's just looking for a side hustle, the internet offers plenty of opportunities to make money from the comfort of your own home. There are many online job sites available, but not all of them are legitimate or pay well. It's essential to research and find websites that offer real job opportunities and fair compensation for your time and effort. So, without further ado, let's dive into some of the best job sites that pay and how you can make money from them. 1. Upwork. Upwork is one of the most popular and well-established job sites for freelancers. It offers a wide variety of job categories, including web development, design, writing, and virtual assistant services. Upwork allows you to set up a profile and bid on jobs that match your skills and expertise. You can also set your hourly rate, and Upwork will handle the billing and payment process for you. 2. Fiverr. Fiverr is another popular freelance job site that offers a range of categories such as writing, graphic design, programming, and social media management. Unlike Upwork, Fiverr allows you to create gig packages that set a specific price for a particular service. Clients can purchase your gig, and you get paid once you deliver the service. 3. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a job site that offers remote and flexible job opportunities. It has a wide range of job categories, including accounting, marketing, writing, and customer service. FlexJobs charges a small monthly fee for its services, but it's worth it as it screens all job postings to ensure they're legitimate and trustworthy. 4. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a website that pays people to complete small tasks, such as data entry and surveys. The tasks, or HITs, human intelligence tasks, are usually simple and quick to complete. The pay is relatively low, but the tasks are flexible and can be done in your free time. 5. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a website that pays you for completing various tasks, such as taking surveys, watching videos, and playing games. You can redeem your earnings for cash or gift cards. Swagbucks is an easy and fun way to make a little extra money in your free time. 6. User Testing. User Testing is a website that pays people to test websites and apps. You'll be given a task to complete, such as finding a particular item on a website, and you'll record your screen and voice as you complete the task. User testing pays $10 per 20-minute test, making it an excellent way to earn money in your spare time. 7. Reverend. Reverend is a website that pays people to transcribe audio and video files. You'll need to have excellent typing skills and attention to detail to be successful on Reverend. The pay ranges from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, depending on the complexity of the file. 8. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a website that pays you to take online surveys. The surveys usually take between 5 and 20 minutes to complete, and you earn points for each survey. You can redeem your points for cash or gift cards. Survey Junkie is an easy and straightforward way to make some extra money. 9. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a website that connects people who need help with tasks with people who are willing to do them for pay. The tasks can range from cleaning and organization to furniture assembly and handyman services. TaskRabbit takes a percentage of your earnings as a fee, but it's an excellent way to earn money doing odd jobs in your spare time. 10. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a website that pays people to submit photos, videos, and illustrations for use in various projects, such as websites, advertisements, and publications. The pay varies depending on the type and quality of the content you submit, but it's an excellent way to earn money from your photography and artistic skills. In conclusion, making money online is a realistic and achievable goal for anyone with an internet connection and some skills or talents to offer. By utilizing job sites that pay, you can earn extra income or even replace your traditional job altogether. It's essential to research and find legitimate and trustworthy job sites that offer fair compensation for your time and effort. So, why not give it a try and see how you can make money online today? Thanks for watching.